Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use WooCommerce Product Filter by WooBeWo. This plugin is incredibly useful for adding advanced filtering options to your WooCommerce store, making it easier for customers to find exactly what they're looking for among your products. Let's start by opening your browser and navigating to WordPress.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. This will take you to your WordPress dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your site. Now take a look at your left navigation menu. You'll see your WooCommerce menu listed there. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your online store, from products to orders to settings. From here, we're going to add the Product Filter by WooBeWo plugin. Click on Plugins in your left navigation menu. This will present you with a list of all the plugins currently installed under your WooCommerce account. Plugins are essentially tools that extend the functionality of your WordPress site, and managing them is crucial for maintaining a smooth running store. You'll notice a submenu under Plugins, so go ahead and click on Add Plugin. You'll now be presented with a comprehensive list of all the plugins that are readily available for you to use and install. There are thousands of options here, which is why the search function becomes incredibly handy. Look at the top right part of your screen and you'll see a search bar. Type in Product Filter and hit Enter. Keep in mind that Product Filter is a fairly common term, so it might take a moment for all the results to load up. Be patient while the page processes your search. Once the results appear, scroll through and locate the Product Filter for WooCommerce by WooBeWo. This is the specific plugin we're looking for, so make sure you found the right one by checking the developer name. Click on the More Details link to see the overview page for this plugin. This page is really valuable because it provides you with detailed information about the plugin's functions and features, along with user ratings and reviews. Take a moment to read through this information to ensure it meets your needs and has positive feedback from other users. Once you're confident and ready to proceed, simply click on Install Now. After clicking, all you have to do is wait until the installation has finished. WordPress will handle the rest, downloading and setting up the plugin automatically. And there you have it. You've successfully installed the WooCommerce Product Filter by WooBeWo plugin on your WordPress site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.